KuKirin G2 Master. Error code E002. Throttle failure. The throttle is not sending signals properly to the controller. Upon opening the throttle, I saw the red wire disconnected. After connecting the wire, still the error show up. Even I press the throttle, still motor is not working. So in this case, the main issue is display and the throttle. I already ordered some parts that need to replace. This is the throttle. It has a 5 pins green color for power on AMD dual or single buttons. Light switch also I replaced because it's broken. Customer requested also to install key ignition key, this key ignition with voltmeter. This is the new display. So in selecting the correct display of the scooter, you need to select the serial code of display because the G2 Master has many versions. It has a 5 cable ports with different color for each functions. So in removing the connectors, put some heat in order to easy remove and will not cause to break the cable ports. Please watch the video in order to learn, especially if beginners. So in connecting the cable ports, always remember, if it is not fit, then that is wrong. You can check also the color of ports to make it easy to identify. To do the key ignition key wire connection, I have a separate video also, so please watch it. So after I install the parts, now let's test it. The scooter is working.